Hi, so I just want to show you some updated failsafe code. So what you're looking at here is the OLED displaying the receiver status, and there's two things to note that's on this. You've got a little R in the top right hand corner over here. That shows that a valid signal is being received, and next to it on the left hand side there's a little dash, and that will change to indicate the failsafe status. So for example, if I turn off the transmitter and wait for a moment, you can see that the receiver signal has been correctly detected as being lost, and you can see what all the channels are doing. So the channels that you're seeing there are these ones up here, 880, and they are what is output by this when it's in failsafe mode, and you can see by the blinking light indicating that. And you can see that my transmitter is there off. Now if I turn this back on, refocus the camera, you should be able to see the little light, the little R came back on again. There he is. You'll also notice I've got LED strip hooked up to this, and I've got the indicators here. Now if you have the roll and the pitch at the low, then the indicators will flash to indicate that. Here we can see that happening. And what used to happen with the existing code base is when you turn off the transmitter, the channels from the S-bus receiver all go down to 880 like that, and the LEDs would flash very crazily. That now doesn't happen because of the new code that's in there. We can also see the failsafe using the RX signal status. So if I were to arm it, thus, and we can see the LED pattern as well over here. And now if I turn off the transmitter, now it auto disarmed there because I didn't move anything, but if I arm it again, put the throttle in the middle, we can see the throttle's in the middle, and then power off the transmitter, we can see that the failsafe there kicked in just after it detected the signal loss. And you can also see that the LED strip is doing its thing, and the buzzer is also buzzing the beep tones. So if I turn that back on, once the signal is regained, the beeping stops and the LED pattern it resets itself, and you're also unable to arm again. I'm moving the stick across to try and arm there. We can see that here. There we go. So that's the arm prevention after a failsafe condition. What else can we do? We can also reset the FC. If I do that real quick, here we go. And you can see the FC saying there's no signal to start with. Then when it starts receiving, the little R came on. If I unplug the white wire from this, you will also see that the signal loss is correctly detected. There's now a little exclamation mark up here indicating that signal loss has been detected. So if I plug him back in again, there he goes. It's detected that the signal has come back, and away we go. So the new code works very well for physical problems, like if a wire comes undone while you're flying around, or you've got reception problems where you go out of range. There we go. Enjoy.